there are two trails that we can use to get to Waterfall 1, which are the Waterfall Trail and also the Rafflesia Trail.
Adventure, I never dreamed.
Let us begin with the Rafflesia Trail. This trail takes about 40 minutes to get to the Waterfall 1.
Fighting justice like I'm fighting.
Along the trail, we can find the water catchment, the place to chill, and an amazing canopy.
And it ain't so bad. Together we touch the sky. Wherever we go we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight. Together we touch the sky. Wherever we go we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight. Our dreams will come alive.
This trail also connecting to another trail which known as Lintang Trail, which connecting Rafflesia Trail and also the main trail. Rafflesia Trail is rather an easy trail with 1/10 rating of difficulties and also 7/10 beautiness of scenery.
This could be my last adventure, but I will take it, whether it be pain or
The next trail is the main trail, which connect all the waterfall from Waterfall 1, Waterfall 3 and Waterfall 7. This trail takes approximately 30 minutes reaching to Waterfall 1.
we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight.
We even found the roasted Rafflesia flower and bud. The fun fact it is, the Rafflesia have 3 stages of life cycle, which is budding, blooming and wilting. And the Rafflesia are pollinated by carrion flies and squirrels. This trail is easy, and the difficulty we can give for this trail is 1/10, and the amazingness of the scenery of this trail is 8/10.
This is believing our dreams will come alive. Together we touch the sky. Wherever we go we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight. Together we touch the sky. Wherever we go we fly. Forever we know adventures in the air tonight. Our dreams will come alive. Our dreams will come alive.
To conclude this journey, the main trail is a shorter way to get to the Waterfall 1. Interestingly, there are many amazing things that you can find there as well.
You and me, we found adventure. I never dreamed that you would change my world forever. But here we are, I'm ready to conquer.